Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain RECREATION.GOV app review to save it what you're using. So let's dive into it. RECREATION.GOV is the official federal app for booking campsite, tours, permit, and activities across UX national park, forest, and other public land. It features map-based search, detailed site description, real-time availability, and secure in-app payment. User can store digital passes, get personalized recommendations, and even download certain information for offline use, making it a useful companion for trip planning and on-the-go to adjustment. However, some users report booking glitches, availability errors, and the occasional slow loading during the high demand period. Others mentioned confusion with the pass entry requirement as certain sites. And here's a general conclusion. So the app worth using if you're a traveler who wants a one-stop tools for exploring and booking federal recreation sites. Just be ready for occasional technical hiccup during the busy seasons. And that's it.